So, good morning. Welcome to day 3 of the wooden boat show, which is at Beccles. Today is like the day where you can get on and talk to the boat owners and find out all about them, their boats, what they've done, what they haven't done, how much they've spent, how much they've told the wife they've spent, etc, etc. So hopefully we're going to get to have a look around the boat and speak to some of the owners. So let's go. Excellent. Right, so what's your name, what's your boat, and what can you tell me about it?
Right, my name's Christine.
Yeah.
This is Kingfisher. She's 37 foot. She's mine and my husband's project. We've had her for 10 years. When we bought her, she was usable.
Yeah.
But we've worked on her every winter for the last 10 years and brought her up to the standard that we want. She's all wooden.
Yeah.
She's 1966. Can't tell you what engine it is, you'd have to ask my husband. Don't know things like that. My husband's he's a boat builder.
Oh,
So
perfect.
It's his job, but it's also his hobby, because it's our hobby together.
It's a passion.
Yeah,
It's a passion.
It's a passion.
Ex-high fleet or private?
Yeah, she was.
It'll come to you.
Can I ask him?
Yeah, of course you can.
Robin, I need to know where she was. Whose boat was it? Herbert Woods. That was it.
66, Golden Light number 5.
There you go.
I love it.
I'm getting old.
Right. Same as me. Honestly, if someone will ask me a question, I'll be like, And it's one of these questions when you know it's there,
No, it's
but you
there
can't
somewhere.
remember. So,
Yeah, just
but
can't pull it out.
She is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, yesterday as we were cruising, you were level with us.
Yeah.
And I said to Lee, that's just fantastic.
Do you want to go on it?
May we?
Yes.
Excellent.
I'll pull her in a little bit.
Excellent.
You're right.
Yeah,
Sorry.
That's all right. It's all
Robin.
right. Believe you me, my subscribers would absolutely love it if I fell in. Oh, wow.
Okay, yeah. She's got the back cabin's 3 beds. Double
Yep.
bed and a single bed if need be, but we keep that as a sofa sort of thing and put junk on it as a room.
Yeah.
So honestly, my dad started off with like wooden cruisers, and I watched him struggle because he was a surgeon, so he was good with his hands, but sometimes you're just like, but you know when you just get on something and you go, this is perfection. This is perfection. Yeah,
We try.
there's you can tell from the very moment you step on that there is heart and soul gone into this. So,
But we've kept it the traditional layout completely.
Yeah.
As it was when it was a hire boat in '66.
yeah,
And then just modernised everything, but it's all hidden away, if you like.
yeah,
We have a diesel generator that side if we wanted 240 power. That side is gas locker,
Yeah.
and rope locker and everything else. And although it's stepped, it all opens as one. And
Again, yesterday I stood there and I watched you open that locker, and I was like, that's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. It's
yeah, and then going forward, the only bits we've tweaked is this bulkhead slightly,
yeah,
where originally that bulkhead was in line.
yeah.
It's now 4 inches out because it makes a lovely big shower.
Oh wow. Oh wow. I love it.
Electric loos, modern loos.
Yeah.
So it's all mod cons. You just press a button.
No, it's not like the old days. It's
No, you press one button to put water into the loo, press another button and it empties it. We then make things like just waste bins that pop out.
Do you know what? It's the simple things like that, because I mean I've recently sold my boat, and no matter what I did, I'd always end up with a plastic bag somewhere.
Yeah.
You know, so you're like,
What can I do
Yeah,
with
where do you
it?
put it?
yeah. But that's space used really
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, because that's the engine space.
This is the gearbox end is under here.
Oh, amazing.
So it's again a modern nanny now.
Yeah.
That only went in this year, but
Again, I mean, that's just excellent use of space, because obviously this here has not got the dip of that, so you've utilised that amazingly well. Yeah.
Yeah.
the sink used to be over there, but
Yeah.
then you were limited for work
Yeah.
space.
Yeah.
So we made that bigger space.
Yeah.
Sink that side.
Ooh.
The rest of the engine ends up under that sink.
Yeah.
However,
Ah, that's lovely.
that will slide out and make another double.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, watch your head.
No.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Complete with, you've got
Storage.
blanket storage there for your pillows and your stuff behind. So you literally pull that out to here,
Yeah.
that folds down, you've got a double bed with all your stuff stored there.
Absolutely brilliant.
The table, when we want to have a table out, literally slides out. Couple of chrome legs underneath. There you go.
I mean, this is ultimate utilisation of space.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. It's you can tell what you do for a living, because this is so thought out. It's absolutely brilliant.
If you come this way, we'll show you the slightly move.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because that would normally be either push up or a hand winch.
Yeah.
I still think you're too tall. Though.
Hey, hang on
Sit
a minute.
down.
Let's. That is brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant.
It's hydraulic, electric, shaft drive and chain drive. There's a chain under there.
Yeah.
I should just show you.
Sorry. I told you it'd be more interesting.
Ah, right.
There's a shaft that goes across, which has got a little hydraulic motor on the end of it,
Yeah.
which is driven by an electric pump. And then this chain goes up underneath this capping all the way down to the other side of that bulkhead and beyond in the shower, and then returns up here around that cog back down to there. And then there's the same the other side.
Mirrors the same the other side.
Yeah. And these are just spring loaded to keep
Tensioners. Yeah. That's ingenious.
all tucked out the way.
Absolutely ingenious.
Well, you can imagine that sliding canopy is quite heavy.
Yeah.
And we'd have to get outside, push from both sides.
Yeah.
Away we go.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then you've got your front cabin.
Yeah, forward cabin, and when you've got the helm position with all the dials and the controls.
Yeah.
Battery banks underneath there,
Yeah.
so that's all tucked out the way.
Please watch your head.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to go down backwards, because I have a tendency not to whack my head so much then. So.
Again, all the bulkheads have been replaced for mahogany plywood, and the furniture's been renewed.
Yeah.
It's still the layout.
Yeah.
Same
We've got a
layout,
couple of
yeah.
wardrobes, small wardrobes for storage. We have another loo, again electric loo.
Yeah.
So another, and that makes this forward bit more or less en suite for
Yeah.
guests to come. You got the loo, storage space, sink unit, and a couple of single beds.
Well.
And then all this is new, and this is new. And it's
So
original layout, original shape, but it's just been replaced with better materials and
I said
better
to you,
TLC.
I was saying this, as I said to you tonight as we were cruising past, and you'll see it if you. I'll give you the link to the vlog. You'll hear me say, "Wow, that's been restored with love." So
We have done the hull as well, haven't we?
Yeah,
on the
we've done
side,
all that.
so you don't see the planks.
yeah,
It's all splined and
yeah,
We
filled
did all
and done.
that.
It is on the NBN website,
yeah,
the forum. If you go on the restoration threads,
yeah.
this is Golden Light number 5, and you can see it from start.
Excellent. I'll try and put a link to that in the video somewhere. It'll appear.
And I do all the painting and varnishing.
Yeah.
So that's what. So Lee actually said. He said, like, you do all the
I do all
and
the
you do all the
chemicals
and the
and-
painting and varnishing, and it's just immaculate.
Thank you.
It's just absolutely immaculate. It's I'm one of these people. I would love a wooden boat, but I live in Cornwall, so as much as I can escape. Ironically, I used to live in Norfolk, which is really annoying. So, that if I could escape more often, I would definitely have a wooden boat. But you've got to be on it. You know.
Yeah, you've got to keep up with it,
So,
aren't you? I mean, we're out on it every weekend, aren't we?
Yeah.
Given the choice.
Yeah. So I mean, I've just semi-retired,
Yeah.
but as I say, she's an absolute credit to you.
Thank you.
And thank you ever so much for allowing me to look around.
Brilliant.
That's
Thanks
brilliant.
a lot.
Thank you ever so much indeed.
Thank you.
Okay, that was Kingfisher. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. That's a lot of hard work gone into that boat. And then we're going to be going on board this little beauty in a minute. We should be going on board this beauty. So we're just waiting for the gentleman's wife to finish doing what she's doing on board, and then we're going to go on and have a look around.